Good morning, everybody. So, back in the kitchen, we are going to grind up some cayenne peppers today. These are peppers I've dried. It's really easy just to break off the stem piece. So I still have peppers coming in. I have a big old container in the refrigerator that I'm going to make hot sauce with, but this is a batch that I dried, so we're just going to break them up into our spice grinder, and you can grind these up into cayenne pepper, which is what I'm going to do, or you can just grind them up for pepper flakes, whatever you use the most of. Can you hear that? These are really dry. So just break those up into your pepper or your spice grinder or your food processor, whatever works the best, or whatever you have. I have my little ball spice container. Don't want them too terribly big. Just whiz them up and whiz them up until they are what you want it to be. And when you take the lid off, let it settle. Don't take the lid off as soon as you're done. Let it settle, or you'll essentially pepper spray yourself. So. There we have it. I'm going to let that settle. I don't want to breathe that. Last thing I need is another coughing fit in the kitchen. So there's our pepper, and you can put that through a sifter if you want. I feel a sneeze coming on. You can put that through a sifter if you want, and sift it really, really fine, but I mean, that looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to finish these up, and I'll show you when we're finished. So here we go. I've got 2 jars. I'll probably give this one to the neighbor. Of fresh ground cayenne pepper. So you can do this with any peppers. You can dry jalapenos, habaneros, any peppers you're growing. If you have a plethora of them, grind them up. You can make powders, you can make pepper salts, you can make spicy popcorn salt, all sorts of things. Jalapenos dried and powdered, that's really good in your dry rubs for barbecue and things like that. So yeah, if you have too many peppers, you're tired of pickled peppers, you're done with salsa, hot sauce, what have you, grind them up, make your own seasonings, and yeah, I hope that's helpful. Super easy to do. You can string them up and dry them. You can dry them in your dehydrator, whatever works for you, whatever you have available. So yeah, waste not, want not. Use that stuff up and make your own seasonings, so you all stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Don't let all this stuff get you down. And I will see you all in the next video.